If you're in a country where the economy is as tough as Nigeria with Titus, Titus has been helping us with its nutrient and flavor since time immemorial. Aside the fact that it's very tasty, it's also very nutritious. I'm not a fan of canned food, but you see this Titus, I enjoy it always. I want to make native coconut rice, just the type our mom makes those days. But the price of ice fish in the market is really high, so hence I went for the canned Titus. To make this coconut basmati rice, I started by washing my rice and then parboiling it. You can choose to soak your own rice instead of parboiling it, whichever way is fine. I went ahead to deshell my coconut and blend with little water. Before blending your coconut, do well to dice them into smaller chunks. I really like to take my time to dice them into smaller chunks. That will help your blender to do the work perfectly, just like this. Once you're done blending your coconuts, transfer into this cheesecloth and strain the milk. To make the maximum use of your coconut milk, you can squeeze it out with warm water. Either use the cheesecloth or use this kind of sieve, whichever way is fine. Just be sure to strain the milk properly. I did that and thoroughly washed my coconut. After washing my coconut, I washed off the rice for the first time, then proceeded to cooking it with the coconut milk. Remember, we are making original coconut rice. Into the coconut rice, I added salt and seasoning, then added some paprika, pepper, and half of the onions I'll be using to cook my entire food. I mixed all of that together and allow it to cook properly. Don't forget that this is the first stage. I proceeded to opening my Titus. This Titus is a very good fish. As for me, whether the eyes or the thin Titus, it enhances the taste of my coconut rice. I actually prefer to use fish for coconut rice instead of any other kind of If possible, protein. Avoid crayfish from my experience. But if you must add, just add little, so it doesn't taste like you just made a crayfish rice. They say crayfish has a domineering taste, on which I've confirmed this. This rice is a very simple one. I mixed all of that together and went in with my veggies. As long as I'm concerned, these veggies are optional. With or without it, your coconut rice will always come out so tasty. But of course, they say the eyes eat before the mouth. So the vegetables, aside the nutrients it gives you, it also makes the food to be very colorful. I advise, if you have them, go ahead and use. Just like that, our coconut rice is ready. This recipe is the easiest you can see on the internet today, I'm telling you. One thing I noticed about fried rice is that it's loved by everyone. If you are watching up to this moment and you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Just know that means a lot to us. Your comments and your likes are a million words to us. Bring your plate, bring your spoon. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself and eat well. Bye.